Has your GE dishwasher door all but given up? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that, what causes it, and then we're going to replace this door spring that helps hold it up. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The door springs on a GE dishwasher help balance the weight of the door, making it easy to close and open smoothly without slamming or dropping open. Over time, the springs can weaken, stretch, or break from regular use, causing the door to feel heavy, uneven, or lose its tension. If the door no longer opens or closes properly, replacing the springs could restore smooth, controlled movement. On this model, the door spring connects to the pulley cable, which loops around the pulley hinge mounted on the friction washer before attaching to the dishwasher's door hinge assembly. These components are the same on both sides and can be installed on either side of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a replacement door spring for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, the dishwasher will need to be pulled out from under the counter. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need help or clarification with your removal. Not knowing or understanding this process can lead to potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With the dishwasher pulled out, locate the door spring on each side of the dishwasher. Inspect each spring to see which one is needed to be replaced. Usually a spring that needs to be replaced will be broken or stretched out. As you can see on the spring that is in good working order, the pulley cable has tension on it even when the door is closed. Once you've identified the spring in need of replacement, remove the pulley cable connector from the end of the spring and release the opposite end of the spring from the mounting hole in the frame of the dishwasher. While the dishwasher is pulled out, it is a good time to inspect the other door spring, both pulley cables, the pulley hinge rollers, and the friction washers. Look for any signs of cracks, fraying, or excessive wear and replace any damaged parts as needed. These components are sold separately, so be sure to order replacements accordingly. If you need a replacement door spring, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install your new door hinge, loop one of the hooks at the end of the spring through the mounting hole in the dishwasher frame. Run the pulley cable around the door hinge roller and hook the door spring to the end of the pulley cable. If you need, you can use pliers to pull the spring to reach the pulley cable. Check that there's proper tension on the spring and pulley cable. If you notice any slack, the cable may be stretched out and should be replaced. If everything looks good, hold the top of the dishwasher and slowly open the door to confirm that the cable moves smoothly around the hinge roller and the door operates properly. Reinstall your dishwasher and enjoy how smoothly the door opens and closes. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.